Hey guys! In previous videos, we talked about how atoms can gain or lose electrons in order to become happy. Now we're going to talk about exactly how those atoms can gain or lose electrons. One way that atoms can do this is by playing tug-of-war over electrons with another atom. Now how does this work? Let's take a look at this example. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons that we can see. That means it needs 2 more electrons. Now we can see that hydrogen here has 1 valence electron. And as we know, the first electron shell only requires 2 electrons. So hydrogen only wants 1 more electron. That means each hydrogen atom will give 1 electron to oxygen, and oxygen will give each hydrogen atom 1 electron. As you can see here, by sharing electrons, both hydrogen atoms and oxygen have their valence shells filled. This concept of atoms working together in order to fill all the valence shells of all the atoms involved explains chemical bonding. This is super important, guys. Remember, all of the atoms want their valence shells filled, and this will make a happy molecule.